welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another fun color. I'm cranking out these fun colors, so let's go. Today I'm gonna be using Framesi bold colors. I'm gonna actually show it better in pink and what other color is this? Pink and Orchid. And then I'm gonna be using the new Matrix Socolor Call. It's like semi-permanent colors in Admiral blue and royal purple. I'll show you guys this in a bit. So I have the colors in Framesi rose, pink rose, Framesi and Orchid, and then the new Matrix Socolor Call, the semi-permanent colors. It's kind of newer, and I want to try them on my client today. I don't have any specific technique going today, but I'll just put all these colors on there some way somehow and see how it looks like. So stay tuned and watch me do this. My client today has a lot of hair. She has a dirty blonde natural base, and the color that you see right now has some type of reddish tone to it that she had previous color. I'm sectioning off her hair as of now into a couple of sections. Usually I do the standard 4 sections, but today, because this client has a lot of hair, I decided to do a little bit more than the standard 4 sections and section her hair into different sections where it will make it easier for me to apply the lightener. So I have pretty much done that, and I am going to start applying the lightener to her hair. I would have preferred that she had waited a little bit for her previous color to fade up, but that's fine. We're going to do what we can do today, and I think that her previous color would possibly show when I strip it off the bleach. But we'll see. So I have started applying the bleach slash lightener to her hair. I lifted the piece up so that I can get equal and even saturation. I'm taking small section as usual, because otherwise I will have different patches where some of her hair would take and some of her hair will not be bleached. So I'm lifting it up, using my hands to saturate the lightener or bleach throughout her hair and going through very little sections. I am isolating her sections with foils so I can get the maximum lift as possible. I'm going to try in this bleach application not to make her too light, because the colors I'm going to be using today are darker colors, dark pinks, blues, and purple. So I don't need her to be too light. So she probably is going to lift to the orange level 8 possibly, and I'm going to go from there. She can't be too light.
Yo, baby, I need my God be my provider. He be my protector. Somebody go higher. Yo, baby, I need my God be my provider. He be my protector. Somebody go higher. Oh yeah, me nyawo biampo body. I don't do them anything. People say me and I day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Me nyawo biampo body. I don't do them anything.
I applied the lightener all over her hair, all the way from the mid to the end, and I came back to reapply lightener where I think I missed spots. Especially I did the base also last, and so that's also going to process to catch up. Her hair processed a little orangey, but I left it as is because she has remnants of the old color. And on the base, I am applying the Framesi Orchid, the bold color, at the very front part of her hair, from ear to ear. So the very front part of her hair, all over from ear to ear, I will be applying this Orchid color. I am doing an even saturation, so I'm going over a couple times with the color, using my hands to ensure the color is going through every single strand of the hair. We don't want any patches, and I am pretty much saturating from the base all the way to the end. She has pretty long hair, so I have to take my time and make sure that I can get color all the way through her to the hair. I am going to apply Framesi Bold Orchid also to the very back part of the hair that's been sectioned off with a clip. I'm going to also make sure that it's all saturated with the orchid color. And then I missed a little bit of my footage because my camera died, but this is what I have for you so I can explain how I did the back. So for the back part, I took vertical panels, and since I had the Framesi rose gold and I had the Admiral and I had the purple, I decided I was just gonna interchange the colors. So one part I'll use pink, one part I'll use blue, then I'll do the purple and the royal purple. So I just pretty much went through the vertical sections and added color as needed. So if you can see over here, as I'm separating the hair, there's lots of pinks, which is a variation of the orchid and the rose pink. I kept the royal purple and the admiral navy blue color towards the lower parts of the hair so that all the pinks will fall over it and be act as a veil. So you see that until you lift the hair and manipulate the hair a little bit, the blues and the purple are at the ends of the hair, and you can tell over here as I've curled the hair, and you see how beautiful the colors are aligning together. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, you can be whoever you want to be. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
If you wish me well, I wish you well. Eva, Eva, yeah.